How to fix TikTok not uploading videos. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you fix TikTok not uploading videos. Now, first of all, you always want to make sure to check for an update. Head over to your respective app store, type in TikTok on the search bar. If you see update and you want to click that out, and it's just going to take a couple of seconds, so you have to wait for it. And if it does not work out after updating as well, then you want to open your TikTok application.
That reminds me.
Log in and click on the profile. After you go to the profile section, tap on the tab bar and go to settings. So when you go to settings here, you want to look for free of space, so make sure to go ahead and clear cache. And if you have any sort of unnecessary videos stored in your draft, you also want to make sure to manage that or delete some of the items that you don't want to. So basically, freeing up some memory and deleting the cache can be able to fix it. So, or else what you could also do is you could also check the format or the file size. Sometimes it could be the issue with the file size as well. Make sure to check what sort of file size is acceptable for TikTok, and that could be able to help. And if nothing works out, then the last alternative is to uninstall and reinstall the app and submit a ticket or supporting ticket, or maybe restarting your device at the same time will be able to solve your issue. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.